Did you hit it? Did you hit it? Say hi, Nana.
Hi, Mama.
Say I love you, Nana. Say Merry Christmas. That's right. Come show me your bat. Woo! It's awesome. Who gave you that bat? Did G-Daddy give you that bat? Look at you. You're such a big boy. You are such a big boy. Wow, look at you.
It'll bite. It'll bite.
It'll bite?
You gonna hit it one more time?
You gotta put that helmet on. Just like a baseball player.
Baseball player.
That's right.
Baseball player.
That's right. I know you do. Get your bat so you can go hit the ball. Oh my goodness. No, leave that alone. Yeah, that's to make the Christmas lights come on. Let go of it.
Hey, come get your ball.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. Woo! Go! 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 Oh my goodness! That was a home run. Can you say home run?
You wanna go inside? Why not?
Say, because I'm a baseball player.
You want me to hit it? You want me? Let me hit it. Show me how to hit it. How do you hit it? Whoa!
Run around the tree. Oh, okay.
Hey, get ready. Get ready. I'm gonna throw it to you. Get ready. Batter up. You ready?
Say ready.
Here you go. Watch. Oh!
I miss it.
Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Hey, you ready? Come here.
Well, not with Nana back here.
Is Nana the catcher?
No.
Hold it up.
No. You swing that and hit Nana, we're going to have a trouble.
Oh, you gonna bunt?
What's that? What is it? Huh? Airplane? Go look.